There are also allegations that you financing the opposition to frustrate the government.
To frustrate them from doing what? To frustrate them from doing what? You know, when you're a government, you're elected to rule. Not to rule, actually, to govern. And to govern in accordance with the wishes of the people. Yeah? I am a retired person. Yes? Why don't they deal with the issues and the concerns that Kenyans are raising? That's what they should be dealing with. Not looking for scapegoats. Yeah? Go deal with the issues that Kenyans are raising. When I was in power, I was dealing with the issues that Kenyans were raising. Yeah? These are not new things. Yes?
Have you perhaps had a tete-a-tete with the current president, William Ruto?
No. I mean, you have a tete-a-tete with somebody who wants to have a tete-a-tete with you. He has not shown any indication that he wants to talk to me. And as a retired person, why should I go look for somebody who doesn't want to talk to me? And I did my best for this country. Okay? You may not think, whoever has that opinion, that is an opinion. But according to me, I did the best I could do for my country. All right? And I handed over when my time was finished. And I will now do the best that I can do to defend my family.